Every APS journey starts with a blank page. Sa first leg ng North Trilogy Cup was not about being perfect. It was about showing up, kahit may kaba, kahit may duda. Sa bawat stage, we wrote our story, one shot at a time. May mga runs na malinis at pagkakamali din. Pero sa APS, hindi mo binubura ang mali. Ginagawa mo itong bahagi ng kwento mo. Baguio tested our mindset, our discipline, and our patience. Because in these sports, hindi lang score ang sinusulat mo. Ikaw mismo ang nagsusulat kung sino ka bilang isang shooter. This was just the first chapter, and the story is far from over. Ang inuna nila ang stage 8. Ramdam mo na agad ang difference ng Tarlac. Mas open, mas aggressive ang movement, mas demanding sa footwork. This stage was about finding rhythm. Hindi perfect ang run pero controlled. Hindi madali pero malinaw ang plano. Hindi kailangan maging pinakamabilis agad. Kailangan mo lang maging consistent. Stage 8 remind us, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Simula pa lang to. Stage 5 tested our mental discipline. Mas technical, mas maraming positions, at mas mahaba ang engagement. Hindi mo kalaban ng stage, kalaban mo ang sarili mong isip. This run was not flashy, pero it was clean enough to move forward. Sometimes winning a stage doesn't mean to topping it. It means surviving it without losing confidence.
Okay, good morning shooters! Welcome to stage 6!
Stage 6 was all about decision making. Bibilisan mo ba or lalaruin mo ng safe? Dito mo mararamdaman ang experience sa mga previous competitions. Hindi lang puro tapang, may diskarte na. Stage 6 remind us that speed is nothing without control. Halfway na, muscle memory takes over. Pero ang tanong, buo pa ba ang focus mo? This stage forces a mental reset. Kalma lang, clear the mind, trust the training. Hindi ito ang pinakamahirap na stage, pero ito ang pinaka-importante. Because this is where you decide, magpapapekto ka ba sa nauna or mag-moving forward ka? Stage 4 demanded adaptation, unexpected angle, awkward transition. Dito mo makikita kung sino ang flexible, kung sino ang marunong mag-adjust on the fly. Hindi lahat ng plano nasusunod, and that's okay. What matters is how fast you recover. This stage taught us that APS is not about perfection, it's about problem solving under pressure. Pagod na ang katawan, pero gutom pa rin ang puso. Dito mo maririnig ang crowd, mararamdaman ang oras at marirealize kung gaano mo ito kagusto. Every shot counts, every seconds matter. This is where passion shows, not in the scores, but in how you keep pushing forward.
Boards, 4 mini boards.
Stage 1, all in na. Dito mo binibigay lahat ng natira, lahat ng training, lahat ng mistake from previous stages. Hindi na iniisip ang ranking, ikaw at ang baril mo, at ang stage sa harap mo. Last stage na, ito yung moment na babalikan mo lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, mula Baguio hanggang Tarlac. Hindi ito about proving something to others, it's about proving something to yourself. Finish strong, finish proud, because every ending is also a beginning. APS is more than competition. It's about writing your own story. Hindi pare-pareho ang simula natin. May araw na panalo ka, may araw na talo ka. Pero bawat stage, bawat decision, ikaw ang may hawak ng kwento mo. Hindi mo kailangan maging pinakamahusay. Ang kailangan mo lang ay magpatuloy. From the mountains of Baguio to the heart of Tarlac, the story continues, the journey is not over.